pitcher's duel at Wrigley Field that would live up to the hype. Max Scherzer and the Nationals face Cole Hamels and the Cubs. Will start things off in the 7th with the score 1-0 Washington and Hamels still dealing.
Fastball, strike 3 called. Harper didn't like the call by Alan Porter. Swing and a miss, strike 3. Beautiful changeup by Cole Hamels.
On a couple of room service hops to Zobrist. Another 1-2-3 inning for Cole Hamels. He is quickly becoming a very popular player around these parts.
Almora leading at second base. Schwarber away from first. The batter is Wilson Contreras. And now the 2-2 from Max Scherzer. He brings it. Swing and a miss on a changeup, and the inning is over. Contreras strikes out. Scherzer with his 11th strikeout of the night. It's up to Javier Baez in this 8th inning.
And Baez rolls over it. On the ground to third for Reynolds. Close ball is not in time.
Javi Baez beats it, or almost beats it. I guess we'll find out right now because they're reviewing it.
They got it. Call is overturned.
Washington threatening, bases loaded, 1 away, top of the 9th. The dangerous Ryan Zimmerman steps in. Ground ball toward the middle, base hit, 1 run is in, rounding third, Soto, he'll score. The throw goes to second, not in time there. A 2-run single for Zimmerman, and the Nationals lead 3-0. High drama at Wrigley. Bases full of Cubs. 2 down, bottom of the 9th inning. David Bote now trying to keep the Cubs alive. A long ball now could win the ball game.
Center field. Did he get it? Did he get it? Walk-off slam!
A grand slam for David Bote, and the Cubs have won the ball game. Can you believe it?
Wow! As soon as he hit it, he knew it was gone. He started pointing in the air. Cubs win in a grand slam.
And with that, the Cubs win by a final of 4-3. David Bote's first career walk-off home run gives Chicago the series victory, and both starters pitched beautifully despite getting no decisions. Cole Hamels has allowed just 1 run in each of his first 3 starts as a Cub. Max Scherzer has lowered his ERA for the year to 2.19.